For more than 40 years, NSI has been at the forefront of researching, developing, and manufacturing innovative products with cutting-edge ideas for the professional nail care industry.
NSI has been very science-driven for many, many years, and they're in the forefront, and they're truly the leaders and innovators of developing nail products.
NSI is a nail technician-driven company.
I think one of the things that is extremely important to our customers about our company is our history in nail care and nail products. It is really the foundation of what nail technicians do in the salon every day.
We've built a tradition on creating breakthrough products that nail technicians choose to use. Since 1957, NSI has been a family-owned and operated manufacturer of high-quality monomers, polymers, and other enhancement products for the professional nail industry.
Because it's a family business, I think there's a lot more pride that goes into everything we do.
We are an international and a worldwide company, and being able to attend these trade shows and talk to professional nail technicians throughout the world about what products they like, what they don't like, really is invaluable to bring back here to the NSI R&D department and help solve a lot of the problems that the nail technicians experience in the salon.
One of the things that impresses me the most with NSI is that they truly listen to their customer.
Does anybody have any questions about anything I've done so far? See how it levels and see how it's nice and smooth and wet? Can everybody see that?
So that's going to save you money too.
You want to let this dry to a chalky white.
As early developers, inventors, and chemists, NSI pioneered and developed the first non-yellowing cross-linked formulations used in all traditional acrylic systems today.
When I first came to the company, we had just introduced the first fiberglass reinforced acrylic resin.
As pioneers, NSI was the first to introduce fiberglass reinforced polymers, light activated liquid and powder acrylics, UV cured gels, as well as air and heat activated polish sealants. Our chemists continually meet the demands for innovative products.
What's great about working for NSI is being involved in the new product introduction all the way from the initial concept to seeing it sitting on the shelf, packaged and ready to ship all over the world.
We're sold in countries such as Lebanon and the Ukraine and all over Europe and Southeast Asia, Australia, New Zealand. It's amazing that you can go to so many different countries and find people that love to do what we love to do, and that's doing nails, doing great, beautiful enhancements.
Fred Slack III, along with his sons Rick and Kirby, and an international team of field testers, have been instrumental in the development of numerous NSI products. The company owns the patent on elation and French fin tips, which utilizes Polyflex, a unique material that far exceeds the limits for tip performance. In going the extra mile for quality control, NSI requires batch and tracking numbers on all products.
NSI was the first nail supplier that batched all their materials no matter what we made. If for any reason a customer has a problem, they can call us back with the batch number. Within an hour or two, we can have a retained sample of that batch in our hand to be tested to find out if there are any problems or if we can duplicate what the customer is having issues with.
Mandatory inspection of manufacturing procedures, plus many levels of quality control, ensure that all NSI products maintain consistency from batch to batch.
NSI has been researching, developing, and manufacturing professional nail care products since the 1960s. Our expertise has allowed us to develop chemistry, products, and technology that really set our products apart from the competition. We make the chemistry, you make it beautiful.
NSI is committed to the future advancement of nail technology and the ongoing success of nail professionals.
This is the Spa aroma-free product. It's very, very durable, very easy to work with, and it's just awesome.
Our whole company is all about education.
Great education, ongoing education for nail technicians.
We educate. We educate over the phones, we educate at the shows, We set up workshops through our education department.
Do you have any questions on gels? The work we're doing in education is the key to the future of our company.
We are dedicated to the innovation of thoroughly tested products and progressive research and development. Our steadfast commitment to the highest level of education and our forward-thinking approach empowers our most valuable resource, the nail technician.